Let's do again order of operation or kilala sa acronym na MDAS or PEMDAS. If you haven't answered them yet, answer them first before you will see our solutions. Bago natin ito sagutan, i-review muna natin ang PEMDAS or MDAS for short, or better known as Order of Operations. When it comes to PEMDAS or MDAS, maraming nakakaalam sa meaning nito. Parenthesis, exponent, multiplication, division, addition, at subtraction. Ganon din naman sa MDAS for short lang, multiplication, division, addition, at subtraction. Ang tanong, alam niyo ba ang method nito? Maraming nakakaalam sa meaning, pero maraming nagkakamali pagdating na sa pag-apply ng operations na ito. Kaya importanteng i-review muna natin sila. What are those order of operations? Yung mga acronym. Yung mga acronyms nila, meron tayong PEMDAS, lahat nakakaalam nito. In short, MDAS. Meron tayong pareho lang yan sa GEMDAS. At sa ibang bansa, lalo na sa India, meron silang BODMAS. Meron ding BEDMAS. Merong BIDMAS. Meron ding GEMS. Step number 1, we have parentheses, groupings, brackets. Yan yung step number 1 ng order of operations. Step number 2, we have exponent, orders, indices. Yan yung step number 2. Step number 3, we have multiplication and division, whichever comes first, from left to right. Kung alin ang nauna sa given, yun yung uunahin. Yan yung step number 3. Itong sa GEMS na acronym, itong M na to, ang sa baba dito ay division. At ito naman si S, ang baba dito ay si addition. Bali, GEMS ang acronym niya. Now, step number 4, addition or subtraction, whichever comes first, from left to right. Kung alin ang nauna, yun yung uunahin, from left to right. Bago tayo mag-umpisa, i-review muna natin yung mga books natin, yung mga references natin. Ito ay galing sa Next Century Elementary Algebra. Basahin natin yung order of operation. In simplifying numerical expressions, the following order of operations should be followed. Order of operation, yan yung PEMDAS. Step number 1, perform the operations within grouping symbols. If the expression contains grouping symbols within a grouping symbols, simplify first the innermost group. The grouping symbols often used in algebra are the parentheses, brackets, braces, the fraction line, and the radical sign. Ang fraction line na belongs siya sa grouping symbols kasi si fraction line nag-consist ng numerator over denominator. Next, step number 2, evaluate the exponential expressions. Now, dito tayo sa step number 3, multiply and divide from left to right. Kung alin ang nauna sa left to right. Kung nauna si division, unahin si division. Kung nauna si multiplication, unahin si multiplication. Step number 4, add and subtract from left to right. Again, sa order of operation or yung kilalang PEMDAS, 4 lang ang steps dyan. Parenthesis, yung exponent. Number 3 ay yung multiplication at division. At yung number 4 ay addition at subtraction. Ngayon, dito tayo sa grade 4 textbook. Which one is correct? 64 divided by 8 times 4 divided by 2. Is it letter A na multiplication muna bago yung mga division? Is it letter B from left to right? Is it letter C na from right to left? Since there is only multiplication and division in the number sentence, we work from left to right. Thus, the correct answer is letter B, left to right. Grade 4 textbook pa rin tayo. Which of the answers is correct kapag 84 minus 25 plus 13 minus 7? Is it letter A na from left to right? Is it letter B na addition muna bago yung mga subtraction? Is it letter C na from right to left? Ang meron dito, to make sure we will all arrive at the same answer, the order of operations was agreed upon. Since there is only addition and subtraction in the number sentence, we work from left to right. Thus, the correct answer is letter A. So, ito yung tama, from left to right, kasi subtraction at addition lang ang nandito. They rank equally kasi. Ngayon, dito tayo sa grade 5 textbook. A series of operations may also involve grouping symbols and exponents. In solving series of operations, the following rules can be used. Rule number 1. Simplify the operation inside the grouping symbols first. Grouping symbols are always done from the innermost set outward. Rule number 2. Evaluate exponential expressions. Rule number 3. Multiply and divide. Again, rule number 3. Multiply and divide in the order they appear from left to right. Kaya kung alin ang mauna sa kanila, kung nauna si division kaysa multiplication, unahin muna natin mag-divide bago mag-multiply. Kasi from left to right. Rule number 4, add and subtract in the order they appear from left to right. Therefore, kung nauna si subtraction kaysa addition, unahin muna natin mag-subtract bago mag-add. Pero kung nauna si add kaysa subtraction, unahin muna natin mag-add bago mag-subtract. Multiplication and division, they rank equally. Pero higher siya sa addition and subtraction. At itong addition and subtraction, they also rank equally. Ngayon, dito tayo sa grade 6 textbook. The following is the order of operations or kilala sa PEMDAS. Acronym yung PEMDAS para hindi makalimutan ang order of operations. Number 1, compute the expressions in the parenthesis first. Next, evaluate the exponents. Next, multiply and divide from left to right. Uulitin ko, multiply and divide from left to right. Ibig sabihin, kung alin ang mauna sa multiplication or division, just work from left to right. Kasi they rank equally. Step number 4, add or subtract from left to right. Uulitin ko, add and subtract from left to right. Add and subtract. Kung nauna si subtraction kaysa addition, unahin si subtraction. Kung nauna si addition kaysa subtraction, unahin si addition. Kung sakaling hindi pa rin enough yung grade 4, grade 5, grade 6 na mga textbooks, including yung elementary algebra na libro natin dito, meron pa tayong grade 7 textbook. Mathematicians have agreed to evaluate expressions in the following order. Basahin muna natin ito. Expressions can have more than one operation. The order in which the operations are performed is important para makuha natin ang tamang sagot. Step number 1. Simplify all operations inside the grouping symbols. Step number 2. Evaluate the exponents. An exponent tells how many times a number is multiplied to itself. The number to be multiplied by itself is called the base. Okay, basta exponent yung number 2. Step number 3. Perform all multiplication and divisions from left to right. Number 4. Perform all additions and subtractions from left to right. Now let's proceed. Question number 1. 2 times 4 divided by 2. Ang operations na dito ay multiplication at division. Step number 3. Whichever comes first from left to right nitong multiplication at division. Nauna si multiplication. Usually itong ganitong pagkalagay, lahat makakatama dito kasi multiplication ang nauna. So lahat makakatama. 2 times 4 equals 8 divided by 2 equals 4. So ang sagot dito ay 4. Ngayon, ang problema itong number 2. Hindi lahat makakatama dito. 10 divided by 2 times 5. Ang iba, uunahin nila yung mag-multiply muna. Uulitin ko, ni-review na natin na ang multiplication at division, they rank equally. Kaya kung alin ang mauna sa kanila. Kung nauna si division, unahin natin. Kung nauna si multiplication, unahin natin. From left to right. Ngayon, ang nauna dito ay division kaysa multiplication. Kaya unahin natin si division. Remember yung example natin sa grade 4 textbook? From left to right. 10 divided by 2 equals 5. 5 times 5 equals 25. So, ang sagot dito ay 25. Number 3. 8 plus 2 minus 4. So, ang operations dito ay addition at subtraction. Remember step number 4? Ang addition at subtraction, they rank equally. Kaya let's solve them from left to right. 8 plus 2 equals 10. Minus 4 equals 6. So, ang sagot dito ay 6. I-double check muna natin itong tatlo bago tayo mag-proceed sa number 4. 2 times 4 divided by 2. And the answer here is 4. So, tama tayo dito. Next, 10 divided by 2 times 5. Ang sagot dito ay 25. So, tama. Next, 8 plus 2 minus 4. So, ang sagot din dito ay 6. Bago natin sagutan si number 4 at number 5, basahin din natin itong galing sa study.com. Here is an explanation of the rules given in PEMDAS. Number 1, P as the first letter means you complete any calculations in grouping symbols first. Next, look for exponents. E, ignore any other operation and take any numbers with exponents to the respective powers. Number 3, Even though M for multiplication in PEMDAS comes before D for division, these two operations actually have the same priority. Complete only those two operations in the order they occur from left to right. So itong step number 3, klaro naman siguro, no? Same priority. Thus, we will complete them from left to right. Next, number 4. Even though A for addition is in PEMDAS before S for subtraction, these two operations also have the same priority. You look for these two last operations from left to right and complete them in that order. So, ang addition at subtraction, kung alin ang nauna, from left to right. Ngayon, dito na tayo sa number 4. 7 minus 2 plus 3. Ang nandito ay addition lang at saka subtraction. So, we will follow step number 4 from left to right. Nauna si subtraction, unahin natin. 7 minus 2 equals 5. 5 plus 3 equals 8. So, ang sagot dito ay 8. Number 5. Ang mga operations na andito, meron tayong parenthesis, meron tayong division, multiplication, at addition. So, as per order of operation, unahin muna natin yung nasa loob ng parenthesis. Ang nasa loob ng parenthesis ay merong division at multiplication. Dito sa first na nasa loob ng parenthesis, nauna si division kaysa multiplication. Again, division and multiplication, they rank equally, so we will solve them from left to right. Nauna si division, unahin natin yan. 8 divided by 2 equals 4. 4 times 4 equals 16. So, plus. So, mag-plus tayo. Erase. Plus. Yung next, nasa loob ng parenthesis, nauna si multiplication kaysa division. Again, multiplication and division, they rank equally. So, we will solve them from left to right. 5 times 2, that is 10. 10 divided by 10, that is 1. 16 plus 1 equals 17. So, ang sagot dito ay 17. Now, let's double check number 4. 7 minus 2 plus 3. And the answer here is 8. Next, nasa loob ng parenthesis, si 8 divided by 2 times 4. Tapos, i-close natin sa parenthesis, plus. Yung isa ay 5 times 2 divided by 10. Close parenthesis, and the answer here is 17. So, therefore, itong number 4 natin ay tama at itong number 5 natin ay tama. Ngayon, question number 6, pang civil service exam na style. Lumabas na to, hindi to exact na mga numbers na ito, pero lumabas na tong ganitong style, I think last year yata, August last year, or March ba yun last year. So, anong meron dito? Kapag ganito na style, ibig sabihin yan, series, number series. Ang sa choices, hindi siya parehong ganito na may multiplication pa at may division. Numbers lang siya. So, ngayon, anong meron dito? Merong 2 times 1 divided by 2. Dito naman, nag-divide muna bago nag-multiply, tapos nag-multiply bago mag-divide. Ibig sabihin, ito yung number, alternate, bali. Multiplication, division, multiplication, so division dito. Tapos, ito yung number na hindi pa natin alam bago mag-multiply. So, i-identify pa natin yung tatlong numbers na yan. Next. 2, 4, 6. So, 8 dito. Next. Ito naman, 1, 2, 1, 2. Pareho lang 1, 2. So, 1, 2. Ang sagot dito ay 8 divided by 1 times 2. Yung iba, sasagot ng 8. Hindi pa yan ang sagot. Kasi kung 8 ang sagot mo, ano na lang si divided by 1 times 2? Ini-ignore mo na siya. So, hindi pa yan ang sagot. I-solve muna natin ito para makuha natin yung sagot. Unless na lang kung sa choices ay ganito, merong ganito. So, yan yung sagot nyo. Kaso yung mga sa choices ay mga numbers. So, i-solve muna natin to. Makuha lang natin ang tamang sagot kapag alam natin kung paano i-follow ang order of operation. Ang nandito ay division at saka multiplication. Ang problema, alin kaya ang unahin natin? Mag-multiply muna or mag-divide? According sa order of operation, ang division at saka multiplication, they rank equally. Kaya, we will solve them from left to right. Unahin muna natin si division kasi nauna si division dito. 8 divided by 1 equals 8. Times 2 equals 16. So, ang sagot dito ay 16. Letter B. Number 7. Anong meron dito? Number series pa rin ito kapag ganyan. Since dito, 8 lang yan, at sa mga choices naman ay mga numbers lang, ito, ibig sabihin yan, isosolve pa natin yan. Makakuha lang tayo ng tamang sagot kung alam natin paano isolve itong mga ganyan, mga operations na ganyan, or more than one na operations. Itong unang set, dalawang operations ang nandyan, pangatlo bali yung parenthesis. Yung dalawa na yan ay subtraction at addition. Ang subtraction at addition nasa step number 4 or they rank equally, kaya we will solve them from left to right. Nauna si subtraction, so unahin natin. 15 minus 8 equals 7. 7 plus 3 equals 10. Ito naman, nauna si division, so unahin natin. 4 divided by 2 equals 2. 2 times 3 equals 6. Anong meron dito? Nauna si 10. Tapos 8. Tapos 6. Bali, 10, 8, 6. Anong next? 4. So, ang sagot dito ay letter A, 4. Bali, decreasing ba siya by 2? Decreasing siya by 2. So, ang problema nga lang dito ay kailangan natin isolve ito. Pero kung mali ang pagka-solve mo dyan, mahihirapan ka talagang i-identify kung ano yung next na sagot dito. So, importanteng malaman nyo yung basic ng order of operation. Kasi marami talaga nagkakamali nito. Pag sinabing MDAS, inisip nila unahin lang talaga ang multiplication, which is mali. Dapat kung alin ang mauna dito sa M or D at kung alin din ang mauna sa A at S. I hope after watching this video, sana hindi na kayo magkakamali when it comes to MDAS or PEMDAS. Kasi yan yung pinaka-basic ng mathematics.